Hey there, Anita here. I was just starting through a new development in Kilimani or Lavington, depending on who's selling and who's buying. It's a spacious new place. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. One of my friends said, Anita, you look somewhat like a creative person. Can you help me style this? And I was like, me? But I'm not an interior designer. But I like a challenge, so we're gonna get into it. We're gonna do this. So first, before we get into the styling and like this is completely empty, we need to get furniture, we need to get everything done. Let's get a tour of the place. We're on a high floor with panoramic views of the vibrant Nairobi city. Like on this side, I can see CBD, like that's right behind me. And then on this side, we've got like the Lavington area and everything, and it's so beautiful. And then just on this side, you can still see like trees and everything. It's so lovely. This is the balcony. Where I'm standing right now is the balcony, and it's a really big balcony. I can definitely like stretch and kick, you know, I can definitely stretch and kick, and there's glass on both sides, so it's just like very open out balcony, which is really nice. And because this apartment, well, this house specifically is on a higher floor, it means that even if somebody does build, because let's face it, Kilimani, Lavington, there's a lot of development happening, so it is likely that you could buy a house, you could buy an apartment, and then 2 or 3 years from then somebody builds something else and suddenly you have no light. Okay, so this one, fortunately, because there's already some developments around it and everything seems to be lower, like this is pretty good. This is pretty good. But the views, they don't stop there, okay? Let's head over to the bedroom. It was so bright and beautiful, but the lights just went off because they're still connecting in some cables. But the views of the balcony don't just stop at the balcony. We've got the same amazing views in the bedroom as well. Okay, so picture this. I think the bed is gonna be like around here in this section. So you wake up and then you see the city. Okay? I'm gonna take some more clips of that so you can see. So you wake up and you see the city, and that's just from one of the bedrooms. And then this is the closet situation going on, and it's one of these slidey drawers, which is perfect because then it means that you could put something here and you don't have to worry. I feel like with some apartments, the ones that open like this way, then you have to worry about like moving stuff around in order for you to be functional. Let's go over to the second bedroom. I'm just like walking you across this house. Okay, so this is the master bedroom, the creme de la creme, the place where the queen sleeps. Okay, and you've also got these lovely big windows. Look at that. Oh God, so you've got these lovely big windows. But I think for this side, the bed is facing this way. So the view from here, oh, this is nice. The view from here is just like greenery. So something that I'm gonna definitely have to change is this light fixture. I think it's too much. Like, look at that. It's too much. Like, what is this? Also, speaking of, I'm not a tiny person. These ceilings are really high. I think these ceilings are really high compared to other places I've been, so I guess more storage space. And then the bathrooms. It is too bad that they just switched off the electricity. I would have loved to show you the bathrooms, but I'll definitely come back. But this is the bathroom. Okay, you can't really see anything, but this is the bathroom. Okay, this is the bathroom, and it also has a storage space here, so you can definitely store something behind the mirror, which I think is great. So there's storage behind the mirror, a bit of storage over here. I think I'll definitely put in some stickers over here. I'm gonna put in some stickers over here just so that this nails don't like really pop. So I'll put some stickers here. And I think it's excellent that we put this here. Lots of bathrooms don't usually have this function. So after we leave the main bedroom, towards this area is another room which is just wee. This other room is just like office space. So this room could be used as office space, but I think it could also be a third bedroom. It looks like the setup for a bedroom because there's like switches here, but I don't know, maybe not. And then it opens out to the washing area, which is also quite spacious. And I guess because of that section over there, there is some light coming in this way, so you still have some light in this room in case you went to work. At the moment right now, it's quite cloudy, so you can't really see. It's quite cloudy, and the sun is setting. It's about 6 p.m. right now. The sun is setting, so everything is quite like low. But yeah, and the big reveal, the living room. I didn't show you guys the living room, but that is the living room. It's quite a big space. The living room is a very big space. Something else that I'm considering that we need to change for this decor, one of these lights. This situation, no. I'm gonna get rid of that situation. Another thing we need to get rid of is this. I don't know what's happening with this light, but that's gotta go. We went over to China Square, bought a few things which you can use for the kitchen. And so, but this is the kitchen. It's quite big actually. It's not, it's open pan, but not really open pan. So you feel like this kitchen is sectioned off, but you can still have like a bit of what's going on in the living room while you're in the kitchen area, which I think is great. And I guess, are these windows? It feels like these windows are, I can't really see into the next apartment because there's another apartment over there, but I can't really see. It feels like the windows are tinted, so you can't really see into the next block, which is great. But I think we're still gonna get the measurements of this area, and maybe we can put on some blinds. I want to be upfront with you. I'm not an interior designer, not even close, okay? Not even close. But who needs a degree when you've got creativity and passion? I know I'm gonna eat my words. I'm definitely gonna eat my words. After shopping for 2 days, I am way beyond my pay grade. I'm just like, no, it's too much. But we can do it. And I'm gonna take you through the whole journey where you can get sofas, where you can get fridges. And so far, we've already made an order for a fridge. Went to Carrefour on Sunday, made an order for a fridge. And I think for this kitchen area, let me show you this area actually. For this area over here, we're thinking of setting up a fitted kitchen. I think a fitted kitchen would be really good. That way, stuff doesn't move around and it's just like easier for the people to live in. Also, did I mention that this place is going to be an Airbnb? So we're trying to find things that are inexpensive, not cheap, inexpensive, but good quality. So stuff that doesn't break so easy. So we're going to begin by scouring through Pinterest. We're gonna go through Pinterest, see what we need to see everything that we need to see, get lots of designs. I'm thinking like very much like brown, green tones, very earthy colors, just to bring out like the Nairobi vibe. I'm thinking that would be a good style to go for. Okay, so one of the things that I want to change before anything is the blue of this wall. It's a very interesting blue, I should say. It's like, I don't know, okay, you can't see properly in this lighting, but it's a weird blue. I have tied my hair back for this haul. Okay, so first we can start with a kitchen rack. I don't remember the prices for everything, so just bear with me. This is what it looks like. Got two colors of these cups. I got one in yellow and one in blue. Bowls. This is also from China Square. That's the thingy. It's apparently really good for the health as well. So it's not a material that that when you wash it it scratches off. So this is just like a really nice spot from Carrefour. A hand blender from Carrefour. I think especially for an Airbnb, you want something that's not going to get spoiled super fast. Tiny glasses by Ocean. This is also from Carrefour. These are the glasses. They're really cute, I guess, for water and stuff. what we have so far. I think it's not bad. Coffee. So this coffee press we got from China Square, and I think I'll just put the prices of everything in the corner so you can see from China Square. And I think I really like the color. I actually really like the color of these towels. Like there's this lovely green, and then there's this one that's like peachy, and then this one that's red, orangish, and I think it's a very nice like rusty color. Got a tin because tins are necessary. So we're back to decorating the Airbnb. One of the great places I would definitely recommend checking for furniture is Facebook. There's lots of people selling furniture, used furniture that I've had for a while, but I think when buying used furniture, it's very important to check for termites or bed bugs because you don't want any of those getting into your house. Fortunately, I haven't had any experience with either of those, but it does happen from time to time. You do hear stories, so it's important to check on that while trying to furnish a place. But so we need to get a couch. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go online and just check different websites just to see if I can find a couch, and if I find something that I like, then I can physically go to the store and check out the couch, because we're trying to do this as efficiently as possible because we're busy people. We are busy gals. We're busy girls. Okay, let's go.